This is a footloose review of the Mark Spencer Hotel in Portland, Oregon. The Mark Spencer is considered a 3-star hotel. It opened in 1907, and some famous entertainers have stayed there, like Louis Armstrong and Mel Torme. Here's the front desk. You can buy snacks and sodas there. The service was inconsistent. Some people were friendly and others were very grumpy, like they'd been having a bad day. There are lounge areas where you can sit and read or chat with your traveling companions. Here's our room. It isn't what we call spacious for an American hotel, but it's big enough. There was no book of amenities. The bed has a nightstand and a lamp on each side. The room has a microwave and a mini fridge. There's no coffee maker or hot water kettle in the room. Here's our view, if you can call it that. We got a good price through an app, so maybe that's why we got this room. They say that all their beds are queens, but we suspect this bed is a double. It was comfortable, though, if a little on the soft side.
Pretty complex.
There's a flat-screen TV, but the TV remote and channel functions are kind of hard to use. The channel guide on the TV didn't work, so you have to use this card to see what channels are offered. They do not offer HBO or any other premium channel. I think you can log into your own Netflix account, though. In the closet, there are 2 bathrobes available for purchase, 1 luggage stand, an iron and ironing board, as well as a hairdryer. Here's the bathroom. The countertops and the lower parts of the walls are marble. We liked the faucet. The bathroom has everything you need and everything worked. The toilet and shower were fine. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash are provided. The water pressure and temperature were good. We liked the blue glass tile. But if you look closely, you'll see that some of the grout has discolored. There are plenty of electrical outlets. And the Wi-Fi worked fine. In the lobby, they offer Stash brand tea and regular coffee, but no decaf. There's an espresso machine and a machine for squeezing fresh orange juice too, but I think those are only available in the morning when they serve breakfast. Breakfast is not free. Here are the prices the day we visited. Portland has a lot of great restaurants. And cafes. Not to mention their legendary food cart pods all over the city, so you can do better than the hotel's food if you just explore a bit. There's a wine tasting. The Mark Spencer is an older hotel, and it looks like it could use some renovation. But you can tell it was once an elegant hotel. Look at the shape of the headboard, and the mirror, and the pattern on the blackout curtain. That's Art Deco, an artistic and architectural style which is associated with the 1920s and 1930s. Not all old things have aged well, though. A lot of people might find this stereotypical Chinese figure offensive. We liked the local artwork on the walls, though. The Mark Spencer isn't maintained all that well. The hand sanitizer stations around the hotel are empty, and this little bottle of lotion was empty or had hardened with time. We couldn't get any to come out. And the smoke detector's battery case had been opened, so if there had been a fire, we'd have been in trouble. There's maid service between guests, but not during your stay, so you'll be reusing your towels and bed linens because they're short-staffed, but it's also a green practice meant to conserve water and electricity. There's an ice machine in the basement, and also down there is a lackluster fitness center. It's small, and the one treadmill was out of order. That's an elliptical machine. There's a laundry room with washers and dryers. That would have been great, except that the vending machine that sells laundry detergent was broken. There's a meeting room, but we didn't look at that. Its location could not be better. Although the area immediately in front of the hotel isn't much to speak of, that's an ad agency right there. It's a very short walk to the biggest independent bookstore in the country, Powell's City of Books, and the Pearl District, a popular neighborhood for tourists. They have underground parking. They'll give you access after you pay a fee. The clearance is only 6 foot 6 inches. The parking lot is a little tight, but it feels safe and well lit. Bus and streetcar access are both very close. Overall, we were not impressed with the Mark Spencer. It's past its prime and hasn't been maintained as thoroughly as it could have been. Not all the service was friendly. We can't recommend it. If you get a good price and come in with appropriate expectations, it might serve for a short stay in Portland, but we won't be staying there again. If this review has been helpful, please like and subscribe so you can be notified when Footloose drops its next hotel review. Happy travels!